Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Sony 520. So it's super simple. This is what you want to do. First, you want to ensure the headphones are plugged in. You want to first turn off the headphones, unplug the headphones, and then you just want to press and hold the power button and the volume down button on the right side that you're going to find simultaneously for 10 seconds. Then you want to wait for indicator light to blink 4 times in blue, indicating the reset is complete. So what you want to do, you can have the power button and the minus button, and you just want to press and hold it for about 10 seconds simultaneously, and this is how you're going to perform a factory reset. I hope it's going to fix the issue that you have with it, and that's it. So press and hold the power button and the minus button at the same time, and it should work for you. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye. So turn them off, unplug them, and press and hold the power button and the minus button. Goodbye.